What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up FFmpeg on Windows 10 and 11. FFmpeg is an incredibly powerful tool for handling audio and video files, but getting it installed and working system-wide can be a bit tricky if you're new to it. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you'll have FFmpeg fully set up and ready to use on your computer. Let's jump right in. First, head over to FFmpeg.org, then click on Download to access the official download page. Once there, hover over the Windows icon and select either gyan.dev or btbn as the source. On gyan.dev, you'll find 4 sections: Get Full, Get Essentials, Release Full, Release Essentials. The difference? Get versions are built from the master branch, while release versions are built from the latest stable release. Full versions come with more libraries, whereas Essentials versions only include the commonly used ones. If you want the latest cutting-edge version, go for the Get downloads at the top. Otherwise, scroll down to the Release section and download either Full or Essentials. For most users, I recommend this. After downloading, open the zip or 7z file and extract the contents. Inside, you'll find a bin folder containing the FFmpeg executable files. To make FFmpeg accessible from any command prompt or script, we need to add it to the system path, open File Explorer, Win+E, and navigate to your C drive. Create a new folder called FFmpeg. Move the extracted bin folder into this location. Now hit Start, type environment variables, and select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables at the bottom. Under User Variables, find and select Path. Then click Edit. Click New and paste the path to the bin folder. Click OK on all windows to save the changes. To confirm that FFmpeg is installed correctly, open Command Prompt, Win+R, type cmd and press Enter. Type FFmpeg and press Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you should see FFmpeg's version information displayed. That's it! You've successfully installed FFmpeg on Windows and made it accessible system-wide. You can now use it for video/audio conversions, remuxing, and much more. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.